How we doing, folks? James Farrer, Junior Sales Executive over at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown, and today I have this stunning 2014 BMW 4 Series 420D SE Coupe. Comes in a metallic black paint finish, the LED lighting up front, the iconic BMW kidney grille with the silver trim, the front parking sensors, the BMW spoked alloys on run flat tyres, the shark fin antenna on top with the black trim surrounding the windows. Come around to the back, you have the BMW 420D badging, the LED lights at the back, and the automatic trunk. Just a simple kick at the key fob and she'll pop right open. You also have rear parking sensors. Now folks, let's take a look at the interior. Now folks, that we're inside, you notice the BMW multifunctional sports steering wheel. This car is also fitted with a sports mode, comfort mode and an eco pro mode. Automatic lights, fully electric windows, the BMW iDrive system on board, the manual gear shift, 360-degree parking sensors, heated seats. The interior comes in a tanned Dakota leather with a dark oak wood trim finish. Also on board is the BMW SOS service system, the wireless Bluetooth and many other extras. Now folks, that was just a quick look around this 2014 BMW 4 Series 420D SE Coupe. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at BMW Joe Duffy Charlestown. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video.